Hey there, welcome to Tool Zone, your go-to spot for truly satisfying craftsmanship. Today we've gathered an epic selection of clips where skilled pros execute each task with absolute mastery. Every movement is calculated, every detail flawless. Let's dive into these perfect moments together. Sure, carrying 4 to 6 plates might seem impressive, until you see this young man in action. He's like a real-life superhero of the restaurant world. Fast, eco-friendly, and incredibly precise. This method of trimming treetops feels like nature itself lending a hand. And the best part, not a single branch goes to waste. Everything falls exactly where it should. Watching glassblowers at work is endlessly fascinating, but here's a question. Do they ever get entranced by their own creations? Because when fire, molten glass, and seamless motion combine, the result feels like real-life magic. Cracks in pavement can be a real headache. That's why sealing them properly is essential. The man's hypnotic performance easily draws the attention of curious onlookers. Out with the old, in with the new. These roofers handle the job like pros, smooth, efficient, and perfectly coordinated. On a blank canvas, a girl creates floral artwork, painting delicate flowers and petals with artistic flair. Isn't it incredible how effortlessly he spray paints the door? One smooth sweep and the finish looks like it came straight from a factory line. Deboning a salmon in mere minutes? That's not just skill, that's the kind of precision that deserves a standing ovation. This craftsman truly knows his trade. Watching him install the floor is a pleasure, and you can be sure his work is top-notch. To ensure your wooden item is both durable and visually appealing, it's essential to sand the surface until it's perfectly smooth before painting. Looks like Rapunzel left something behind here. Ever wondered how onions are actually grown? Even something as subtle as grout lines between tiles can bring the final polish to your interior design. Incorporating handcrafted elements into car hose production significantly boosts durability. Applying gold leaf is a meticulous and delicate art in itself. Still dyeing eggs with onion skins? Snooze alert! This is how a real master does it, turning Easter eggs into miniature masterpieces. It's a joyful holiday, so why settle for dull? These eggs are made to impress, not just fill a basket. There are some things you could watch forever, and this is definitely one of them. By the way, who here is a honey lover? That final touch of color is exactly what the painting needed. Now it feels complete, with each shade in just the right place, tying the whole piece together into a true work of art. That dessert pattern turned out adorably perfect. It's safe to say the design is now complete, and the treat looks just as delightful as it probably tastes. It's amazing to see how this girl handcrafts such a beautiful jug, truly captivating work. Ceiling caulking can feel effortless with the right equipment. A top quality plastering machine doesn't just simplify the job, it helps deliver flawless results, turning any user into a pro. Incredible! The final finish on this piece gives it a lifelike glow. With its rich depth and stunning shine, it looks ready to leap off the shelf. More than just an item, it's a true centerpiece. This street chef doesn't just cook, he performs. The process is so mouth-watering, you'll wish you were there tasting it yourself. For seasoned pros, applying plaster is as effortless as spreading butter on toast. One thing's for sure, I definitely wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that needle. The sheer scale of this project is seriously impressive. Gravity? These motorcyclists must have skipped that class. How else do you explain them riding straight up a vertical cliff like it's a Sunday cruise, while racing each other to the top?